Kickstarting its poll campaign in the state with the theme of making Meghalaya a five-star state, Congress Party today announced its 5 commitments to achieve this goal. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent Pala, along with AICC General Secretary in charge Manish Chatrat, released the commitments in a press conference held at the party office in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Pala informed that direct transfer of Rs 3,000 per month to single BPL mothers raising their children alone tops the 5 commitments, as this will empower women, giving them financial independence and help them in running their house better. According to him, Rs 3,000 a month translates to 36,000 a year, is a substantial amount, and this will help women pay for the school fees of their children and tame inflation.
Of women by giving 3,000 per month for a single mother within the BPL. And number 2 is that unemployment free, as I have stated. Number 4 is that corruption free. We have seen the corruption level is very high, as I've stated. Number 4 is power cut free, where we'll develop and generate employment also in the power sector. And the last is the drug free Meghalaya.